on South Polk
200 feet,
Road.
turn right on South Polk Street and then turn right in 620 feet.
South Polk Street. And it was just so freaking crowded. There's no place to park. So I had to wait, 15 minutes just to be able to get through the fuel lane because there was no other way around. No place to turn around. So basically we're going to jump back on I-20 here. Head down the road around 30 miles. Then we'll stop, there. Because I couldn't just get out of the truck and go to the bathroom, go get something to eat, whatnot. Because, I was in a lane, There's just, it was a pain in the backside. I mean, it's just way too crowded. So,
600 feet, turn right on Lyndon B. Johnson Freeway and then take the entrance to the left in 820 feet.
I probably just, weren't thinking about how close to Dallas we were. We're getting on the 35.
800 feet, take the entrance to the left on I-20 East.
Which is pretty much going to run us all the way south down to Laredo, if I remember correctly. I don't drive a lot in Texas, so I've been to Laredo once. Since I've been trucking, I've been to Laredo one time. And that was the very first month I was here at Melton. And I ain't been back to Laredo since. little bit of traffic here in Austin. It's just about 10 minutes before 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm not familiar enough with Austin to know if this is kind of on the normal side for midday traffic, or if just people being stupid, which I'm typically more kind of leaning towards. Well, it seems like to me that Texas likes big city traffic. I mean, it's 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock coming into San Antonio. Yeah, we're on I-35 heading southbound. And lots of damn traffic. Does everybody need to be on the road at the same dang time? 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Monday. Alrighty, San Antonio. Yeah, going through the stacked highway area here. Braking for unknown reason.
In 2 miles, keep to the left on I-10.
I just love the nonsense.
Down west, down low. Upper level or lower level up here? Anybody know? That car's on fire. So where at, Jeff? So we're on the upper level or down here on the lower level? On the upper level. Copy the upper level. Appreciate the call, man.
It's up on the north side. Looks like there's an RV there involved, but it's all the way on the right shoulder on the northbound side. So everybody's stopping to take a peek. All right, so we got a car fire over here. Looks like a towable from an RV or the RV itself. But it's on the northbound side. We're on the southbound side here. So there's absolutely no reason for us to be slowing down to look at it. Let's all stop to take pictures, because heaven forbid we miss it. I mean, I have an excuse. I'm shooting some YouTube video. What's their excuse? Oh, we want to look at something we see all the time anyway? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it was a towed Jeep behind a RV that wasn't properly set up to be towed. Yeah, just double check our load. Things riding good. Look at your tires. Make sure your mud flap's still on. Not doing too bad. No real major problems. Got ourselves a parking spot at the end of the row. I took the lazy way. I just made a U-B and parked it. I could have backed it in at an open spot, but screw that. I get to be lazy once in a while, just like everybody else. So we done 427 or 472 miles today. Yeah, not too bad of a day. Like I said, tomorrow we're going to get up and we're going to make our delivery at 9 o'clock in the morning. So we have plenty of time to do everything we need tonight. It is 4:48 right now. So a simple, easy day, rolling down through Texas. All right, we finally got our shower call on the app. So we're going in. Stinky needs a bath. So we're going in here and get all cleaned up here a little bit and help us to relax for the night. I'm gonna do a shower view when we get in there. Well, initial look, everything looks pretty decent. Clean. Door could use a little TLC.
Your shower is now ready.
Vents are clean, fan is clean. Floor's a bit wet. They use a little bit more care to the shower appears to be tall enough. And over 6'4", so it looks fine right now. Shower pressure was very good. Flow was good. Volume of the water was good. Pressure was good. Temperature was excellent. All nice, rock steady. No variation whatsoever. So overall, this one gets a very good. Turn that on to dry that out a little bit. Shower number 5. Here at the Flying J on the north side of Laredo.